is my 2003 kfx400. I was told it was a 2006 model, but it's not. Basically what's happened is they wanted more power, so they put performance cams in it and bent all the valves. I traded a 2003 TTR 125 small wheel. I bought this thing for 300 bucks off an old lady. She didn't know how to fix it. Well, her husband didn't know how to fix it, something like that. And the carburetor was just messed up on it. So I put a new carburetor on it, and the petcock leaked. Put another petcock on it. The thing ran and drove perfect. Front tire wasn't hold air because the tire was dry rotted and the tube was busted. But I took it and traded it off to this KFX, which they told me all it was out of time, and I put it back in time mid run. Valves were bent. It's got a big gun exhaust on it. Pretty nice. Pretty nice seat cover. Needs to be re-stretched. But yeah. See, they put stage 2 hot cams in it. Got it out of time and bent all the valves. Which figures, because a lot of these Z400 bikes just are that way. I had one a couple years ago, the same thing. It skipped time because the tensioners are garbage on them and went out of time. Basically, yeah, I got a head for it in there. It's just pulled off of it right now because we're going to put valves in it. Starter clutch is bad on it. Wore out on me. So I'm gonna throw it back together. I'll put a picture up right here of the TTR that I traded to. It was a pretty nice bike. Rode it quite a bit. And I got rid of it. So yeah. Guess we'll try and make it run. Putting this thing in time. The 3 needs to be up and the 2 needs to be up. 15 pins across. And you also have to line up the TDC mark. Can't really see it. Let me get the flashlight out. TDC mark. You can see it in there. Maybe. But basically, there's this little mark right there on the case, and you gotta line it up with that mark. So you put it in TDC, and then we gotta throw the cam caps on, and then we gotta throw the tensioner in, which here's the tensioner. KFX running. Now The starter clutch is burned up, so we're gonna have to wait and get a starter clutch put in it, and probably fire it up real good, because all I did is I pull started it, and I fired it up. But it's gonna need a starter clutch and stuff like that to be able to fire up right here. So I'm gonna wait till I get one of those, and I guess for then, next video, I guess we'll fire it up and get it running for sure, like running and driving. So